Show me the thing.
One, two, three.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. I haven't talked to y'all since Chicago? Is it Chicago? Last time I vlogged?
No.
Or Texas? Was it Texas? Alright, so I ain't talked to y'all since.
Or no, we went to Kings Island
When was that?
after.
Oh yeah, we did go to Kings Island. Yep. So Kings Island, I ain't talked to y'all since Kings Island. But today it is October 29th. It is 1:27, and we are here in Brownsburg, Indiana at Racing. I think it's called Racing Exotics.
Dream Drive.
Dream Drive.
Yeah.
No, it's called Driving Exotic.
Dream Drive Exotic.
Dream Drive Exotic. She's scheduled for us to drive. Well, she scheduled me to drive a Ferrari. I picked the car. It was like between a Audi, a Lamborghini, or Ferrari. I picked a Ferrari 458. It's my favorite. One of my favorite Lamborghinis. One of my favorite Ferraris. But the other Ferrari was a Ferrari Huracan. Oh, now that's a race car. That ain't no. Ooh, that must sound nasty. Yes. Ooh, what is that? Bro, I wish I had a Hellcat out here. I wanted to drive a Hellcat. And them just all racing cars. But we don't know what's up with the like recording stuff. I know you can buy videos and stuff like that. I'm gonna talk to y'all when everything gets situated, and be right back. So I paid for to get an SD card, which from the dash cam. So I'm gonna plug this up my computer and put the video. So I got video from outside from what my girlfriend recorded, and I got the video from the dash cam that I'll also be putting in there too. The first go, I went kind of slow. I like light on the brake. Light on the gas, and then I kind of went and floored it because he was telling me just like to floor it. What I was afraid of was because this is not like a track type of ground. This is like regular gravel and like asphalt. So I was not scared, but I was nervous that it was gonna spin out if I just put my foot on the gas all the way down. But yeah, so I'll put dash cam footage up in the video. I don't know if it's gonna be before or after the outside videos recorded, but it's a clip now.
No, ma'am. You driving, yeah. That's what it says you got here. Is this thing almost dead? No, it's good. What we got over there? Alright. Hold foot on the brake, engine start. Hold it down. And now to go in the first, click the paddle back.
This one?
Yep. It should say 1 down there. And go line up in the cones there. These transmissions are real weird on these. You actually gotta hit it and make it start going. Get all straightened out here. Alright, whenever you're ready, brother. To the floor. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're gonna ease right, and then you're gonna dig real hard right. Come back outside here, and now go real hard inside. Stay inside, stay inside. Now you got an easy left turn here, just stay through it. This is the fun little part. Jerk right, jerk left. Now you got a long, long right turn here. Just constant throttle through this. Keep going, keep going. Constant throttle, constant throttle. And forward. There you go. Brake, 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 brake. Heavy brake. There you go. Now dig right, dig right, dig right. There you go. Back on the outside. Dig inside there. Awesome. Stay inside. Easy left turn. Fun little chicane here. Jerk it right. Jerk it left. One more lap. Long right turn. Long right turn. Constant throttle, constant throttle. Keep going, and forward. There you go. Brake, brake, brake. There you go. Right. Dig, dig, dig. There you go. Awesome. Back outside. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Inside, inside. Dig, dig, dig. Gas, gas, gas. Easy left. Fly through this right here. Jerk it right, jerk it left. Awesome. Now we're gonna exit out straight there. Hell yeah, that's quick as shit, dude.
Behind the Lamborghini? Or?
Yeah, no, actually go here because we're gonna do Ferrari again.
And how do I brake? Or
No park on it.
oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, the Lamborghini's the only one with a park.
Same with the Audi too.
Yep, the Audi has
So you
automatic.
just turn it on?
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
What's good, y'all? So I'm back from driving the Ferrari. That motherfucker was fun as hell. At first, the car is like very different to drive from a regular car. Kinda. It's just that like you really have to put your like foot on the gas in order for it to like really like even move. And the steering is kind of like stiff in a way. Like you really gotta like turn that motherfucker in order for it to turn. Same with the gas. It's like you really gotta press on that motherfucker. And then like when you say floor it, bro, like when you say floor it, that motherfucker take off. And it's only a V8. I picked, it was 3 cars out there, the Ferrari, Lamborghini, and an Audi. I think someone's actually doing the Audi right now.
Yeah, somebody wanted to do it.
That was the first time I actually seen somebody do the Audi. Everybody's been doing the Lamborghini, and then like the last 3 people, me and like 2 or 4 other people, did the Ferrari. Yeah, they just did the Audi. So yeah, motherfucker was fun. I was flying through that motherfucker, wasn't I? Wasn't I flying through that motherfucker? Damn, that's a Ferrari right now. If y'all can even hear that, I think the Ferrari sounds better than the Lamborghini, but the Lamborghini is a V10 and the Ferrari is a V8.
The what?
The Ferrari is a V8 and the Lamborghini is a V10.
So when I asked you which one go faster, you said the Ferrari.
No, the Lamborghini go faster. Maybe the Audi go faster than both of them. It'll probably take off faster. But yeah, this was just gonna be a little short vlog. We was only here for like an hour at least. Not even probably an hour. But I'll see you guys in the next video whenever that is.